Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Vicky Badrian. My student ID is 192504111, and today I will be talking about computer and hardware. So without further ado, let's get started. Next, introduction. So computer we use them literally every single day. For studying, working, even just scrolling stock media social. But most of us never really stop to think about how they actually work. Next, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data and turns it into useful information. Think about it. When you type something, search something, or even watch this video, a computer is working behind the scenes to make all of that happen. Next, function of a computer. Now, a computer has four main functions. It starts with input. That's when data is given to the computer, like typing on a keyboard. Then comes process. The computer analyzes and calculating that data. After that, it can store the data, either temporarily or for the long term. And finally, output. The result gets displayed like text showing up on a screen. Input, process, store, output. That's basically everything a computer does. Next, what is hardware? Hardware is the physical side of a computer. Everything that can actually be seen and touched. Some hardware sits inside the computer, like the processor and memory, while others are on the outside, like the keyboard and monitor. No hardware, no computer. Next, example of hardware. There are quite a few hardware components out there, but the most common ones are the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, RAM, and HDD or SSD. These are things that are probably already familiar, but maybe not what each one actually does. Next, function of hardware. So, let me walk through what each one does. The keyboard and mouse are input devices. They let us communicate with the computer. The monitor is the output device. It displays what's happening. The CPU is basically the brain. It handles all the processing and calculation. The RAM is short-term memory. It holds data while the computer is actively running. And the HDD or SSD is long-term storage. It keeps files and data even after the computer is shut down. Next, closing. To summarize, computers are essential in daily life. They work for key functions, and hardware is what makes it all basically possible. Each component has its own role, and they all work together to create the experience we use every day. I hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you.